Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is part 2 of the seed haul. These are some seeds that I received recently, and just kind of to show you which peppers and other plants, peppers and tomatoes I will be growing this year. Alright, let's get started. So the first one is Illinois Beauty, and we'll start with the tomatoes. I grow this one every year. I had some older seeds and I thought the other ones might be too old, so I went and bought another pack of these. This is a really good heirloom type tomato. It's like a pinkish red tomato and it's very, very tasty. Next one is Niagas. And again, I had older seeds from a number of years ago and I wanted to make sure that that these were still viable. So this is Niagas. This is from Seed Savers Exchange, another good company to buy your seeds. And this is another dark tomato. And here's a little description on the back if you want to pause and read. It is a really, really great tomato and it grows really, really well. Then Japanese black truffle, another one I grow every year. This is a really good one. It's pear-shaped, and another black tomato. It's really, really, really good tomato. I just love it. It's a potato leaf type tomato, but very, very tasty and reliable. Then Mull's Red Hot. Now this is funny. I bought these seeds before I started these other ones I had, and these other seeds for my Mull's Red Hot were like, oh gosh, they're 7 years old, and I didn't think they would start. I put 6 in my paper towel method, and 5 of the 6 sprouted. So anyway, I guess I'll have these seeds for future use. But it just kind of goes to show you that seeds can last a long, long time. Especially pepper seeds seem to do that. So, but this is a good drying pepper. Again, sort of like a cayenne type, but it's a really, really good pepper, and I grow this one every year too. I like it a lot. Next one is fish pepper. And I do have one that I overwintered, but it's not, see how this one's variegated? Like this. They all don't come out variegated, so I started some of these seeds here. This is a nice hot pepper, not super hot, and has a really nice history. If you want to pause and read the history of this pepper, it's really, really cool pepper. It's not very big, probably like that big, but another nice, nice pepper. And the plants don't get too big either. Here we are with Czech Black. This is another hot pepper. And it changes, I guess, from green to black to red, right? Red is when they're ripe. But this is a really, really, well, I've never grown this pepper before, so I can't really tell you how it tastes or anything yet, because I've never grown it. But I've been wanting to grow this one for a number of years, so I decided to go ahead and make the purchase. Here's a sweet pepper now. I know I always grow hot peppers, but this is from Baker Creek again. Javarsky, I think the A is silent, but I'm not sure. But this is a sweet pepper. I think it's a roasting pepper, but I'm assuming I can eat it without roasting it. So I need to grow some more sweet peppers. I grow so many hot ones that, yeah, just get some sweet peppers in there. I like to eat peppers with breakfast and everything else. So it's that one. See, it's a nice red color. Then shishito. Now these are great. You can roast these in the green or red stage, but I think I've mostly had them in this green stage here. Japanese pepper. But these are very nice. You just roast them on the grill and they just come out really, really delicious. Very good pepper. And then this one, I didn't get this year, but I've had it. So King of the North, just a bell pepper. I've grown it before. It's a really, really reliable, good pepper. See, I got it in 2016, so hopefully they sprout. It's 5 years old, but we shall see. If not, I guess I'll just have to go buy a bell pepper at the Home Depot or something. But I've grown this one before, and it's really reliable. And then another sweet pepper that I had is this lively Italian sweet orange. I've grown this one before. It's pretty good. It's a nice sweet pepper. Not real big, but good to snack on. And yeah, this one's a little bit older too, but hopefully it'll sprout. Like I said, the Mull's Red Hot sprouted, so I'm assuming this one will sprout just fine. And then last but not least, I was waiting for this one for a while. The order got mixed up, and they sent me a shishito instead of this by accident, but they you know, like I said, resent me this pepper here, and this is from Baker Creek, so they're a really good customer service and a really, really good company. But it's Apocalypse Scorpion Pepper. And this one I've been wanting to grow for a number of years, but I think the seeds, I think it was like $6.99 for the pack, somewhere around there. It's kind of high price, so I was like, I don't know if I want to spend the money on it, but I decided to go ahead and do it. But you can see, look at this, look at the blistering, and it's just a cool red color like that. It just looks really wickedly hot. And a little description on the back here. One of the world's hottest peppers, developed by the Italian Pepper Lovers Association and released in 2015. Super hot scorpion peppers on large 4-foot plants. Now that's a pretty tall plant, so what I'll probably do, I doubt if I'll grow this one in a pot. I'll probably just plant it in my community garden. Alright, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Take care, everyone.